Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get old Google anti-gravity. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, first thing what we are need to do is get to the official website of anti-gravity. And then what you are going to do here, you will go here at the top where you see these menus and you will hover over to products. Then you will see here small menu where it says anti-gravity 2.0 CLI IDE. So we will click here on anti-gravity IDE, just like that. Now scroll down a little bit that you see that basically is this like a Visual Studio Code. So it's normal code editor. Okay, now click here on download. Select here your OS system. I have Windows and click download. Okay, once that is finished, you will need to install basically like every other program and it will open something like that. Now here you will need to log in with your Google account. Then click next. Here I will choose start fresh. If you have some VS Code, then you can do import from VS Code or import from Cursor. Then next, here we will select our um, theme. So we can go with this one or I will go with this one. Then we have here some basically how we want to use IDE agent. So I will leave it like it is. Then we have here some configuration. Next, then we can select here. Okay, let's say. So I will select here Android, Google Anti-Gravity SDK. Let's say Science. Firebase is useful, and Dart and Flutter, and then hit next. Now here we will agree with data usage and security notice, and then just click next. Okay, and just like that, we are now here in our anti-gravity IDE, which is basically the old version. So yeah, now you will have also anti-gravity 2.0 on your app if you have follow my previous video. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.